Good. Methods of economic analysis. If you want to say that the economy of Nigeria is good, how do you measure? How do you show somebody that the economy of Nigeria is good? You understand? If you're telling us that the economy of America is better than that of Nigeria, or the economy of the United Kingdom is better than that of Ghana, how do you analyze? How do you measure? How do you present it to people so that they will understand? You can do that using what we call basic economic tools. You do that using what we call what? Basic economic tools. So you can analyze, you can do economic analysis to compare the various economy, the kind of market that is moving. You understand? The kind of things that you can produce and leave the other. How do you show people? You do them using what we call basic economic tools. And what are these tools? These tools interpret economic principles in a way that is easy to do what? Understand. They present the data for you, the figures, the facts and figures that make America better than Nigeria. Why would you want to go to America to do business? Why would you want to go to Singapore to buy something instead of buying it in Nigeria? You understand? You use the basic tools to show them, so that when you show, you say, hey, from this thing you've shown me, Singapore is better than China. You understand? What are those tools that you can use in showing? Can you give me an example of one of those tools? Table. You understand? If you put it in a table, you see this country is making this amount of money. Nigeria is making 200,000 in a month from agriculture. America is making 1 million in agriculture. Which country is making more money? America. You understand? You can show it in a table, isn't it? So, what are these basic tools that you can use in showing all this? You can use tables. Table is just one, isn't it? There are many of them. You can use also what? Charts. You can use what? Graphs. You can use what? Mode. You can use median. You can use mean. You can use standard deviation and other ones, etc. Is that clear? So now we're going to take the first basic tool of economic analysis, which is known as what? Table. What is a table? A table is a systematic, orderly arrangement of information, facts or data, using rows and what? Columns, for presentation for easy and what? Better understanding. It is the most common tool for economic analysis. Is that clear? This is what we call a table. This is the way you draw a table, isn't it? Is that not clear? We can say country. You can say revenue for 2017. Is that clear? Close the door. You say country, then you say revenue for 2017. Is that clear? So example of country, you say Ghana, 2 million. Nigeria, 3 million. USA, 10 million. Somali, 1 million. Which country is making the highest revenue? USA. Which country is making the poorest revenue?
Ghana.
Huh? Somalia. Somalia is making only 1 million. Ghana is making 2. You see that? So with this table, you can do what? You can do economic analysis. You can analyze this table and say, you can say the country that is making the biggest money. You understand? Then from this table you can say, I want to go and study in America, because in America they have plenty money there. That's why we say, we call it what? Basic economic analysis what? Tool. You use them to show what is happening. Have you seen how I've used this table to show the country that is making the highest revenue in 2006? Did you see it? Good. So we are going to be showing more. We're going to be showing more. Okay, it's record. So now I'm going to draw a table. The table I just drew now is a sketch. So let me draw a perfect table. Table 2.1, right? Table 2.1. This is how you draw a table. You must put the table name. Number of vehicles demanded in a country. This is the table number. Number of vehicles demanded in a country. That's the table you have it. Number of vehicles demanded in a country. Is that clear? This is the table number, and this is the title of the table. Number of vehicles demanded in a country. So you draw the table. We say that table is made up of rows and what? Rows and what? Take your notes. Table is made up of rows and what? Rows and what?
So these are the systematic arrangements.
It's made up of rows and what? Columns. Rows and what? Columns. Is it not? Rows and what? Columns. Can you see it? Prices of the vehicles in Naira. Number of vehicles demanded. So for the vehicle that cost 50,000 Naira, 800 was demanded. For the vehicle that cost 200,000 Naira, 500 was demanded. For the one that cost 450,000, 300 was demanded. For the one that cost 800,000, 150 was demanded. For the one that cost 1 million, 50 was demanded.
So these are the drawings for you. These are the drawings for you.
Yeah, I'm just trying to explain what a table is. You understand? So this is a given table. You say that a table is a systematic arrangement of facts, is it not? It's arranging these facts in rows and columns. Blossom, what do you understand from this table? Just look at this table. You say that table is a systematic arrangement of facts. You understand? In rows and columns. This is column. Anyone that is vertical is known as column. Whereas the horizontal is known as what? Rows. Every table must pass information. So what is the information this table is passing?
Like opportunity cost.
No. Number one, this table is telling us the number of vehicles that is demanded in a country. You understand? Then when you look at it, you see for the price of 50,000, 800 was demanded. As the price is increasing, what is happening? The quantity demanded becomes low. That's the interpretation of this table. You understand? So if I tell you to interpret this table, you just look at it. After looking at it very well, you tell me that as the prices of the vehicle are increasing, the demand are what reducing. Why? Because if you say now, what are the number of people that are driving Lamborghini or Ferrari in this? Have you ever seen somebody drive Ferrari in Bogada? No, because the price of Lamborghini or Ferrari is very what? Very high. But Toyota Pencil Light, you are seeing it always, isn't it? Honda Civic. The demand is high because their prices are low. But for the one that their prices are very high, their demand is what? Low. You see, you can understand these simple facts, these simple economics, demand and supply. You understand? Using what? Using what? Table.
I'll just start explaining.
No. They are not asking this time. You understand? They will simply ask you, what is a table? You understand? Or they will tell you that the systematic orderly arrangement of information, facts and data using rows and columns. for presentation is known as what? Good. You understand? Is that clear? Now we look at another tool. We look at another tool, and that tool is what? Graphs. Look at another tool known as graph. What is a graph? What are graphs? This is a diagram showing functional relationship